Welcome friends, welcome back to Katie's Camp Kitchen, and welcome to all of our new subscribers. We are so happy to have you join our community. Today we are going to cook my favorite clam chowder in only 35 minutes using shortcuts that we often use while camping. The recipe was developed from many years of tasting chowder here in New England. Besides tasting great, it is also a time-efficient and easy recipe. We use some pre-cooked items with other ingredients prepared as we go. Stick around until the end of this short video for a list of ingredient substitutions and energy and power usage data. Here is the recipe for this chowder. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of the recipe. It will also be in the description box along with the timestamps. Here's a picture of the ingredients used. One note is that we did not use the extra bottle of clam juice. Here's the equipment that we will be using. Now we're going to go ahead and cook the clam chowder. A New Wave Pick Gold Precision Induction Cooktop. This is an inverter induction cooktop. I do have it on 600 watts. And I can run this induction cooktop with this 800 watt power station. Now we're adding 1 tablespoon of bacon fat and 3 tablespoons of butter. Here's our start time. Here's how much energy we've used so far, and we are using 520 watts of power. To our bacon fat and butter, we're adding 3 cups of onions, 1 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of carrots, 3 garlic cloves. Now we're just going to cook these until they're softened, about 5 minutes, and we covered those while they cooked. Now we're adding 4 cups of pre-cooked potatoes, and now we're adding in 4 6.5 ounce cans of clams and with their clam juice. Now we're adding in 1 to 2 cups of cream depending on your desired thickness. Now I'm adding in some ground black pepper, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Now we just mix all the spices through the chowder, cover and cook for 10-ish minutes until we reach somewhere between 180 and 190 degrees. And finally we'll adjust the seasonings. The clam chowder cooked in 35 minutes and used a total of 300 watt hours of energy. The chowder tastes fantastic. These are great containers for freezing in case there's any chowder left. As promised, here are some recipe substitutions depending on your dietary needs. This recipe also lends itself to using long-term pantry staples such as powdered milk and canned potatoes. This chowder took 35 minutes to cook, 302 watt hours of energy, and max power input of 530 watts. The recipe is in the description box as well as links to items that I used during this video. Thanks so very much for watching. If you learned something new, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks so very much. We'll see you around the campfire very soon.